What's up, guys? Welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video today we'll be talking about Altseason. A lot of people have been waiting for Altseason. You have been hearing about tales about Altseason. When Altseason happened, a lot of these coins will be money. In this video, guys, I'll be showing you signs that Altseason is here. We're not there yet, but I'll be showing you signs to look out for when Altseason actually arrives. We'll also be taking a look at the BTC price chart. We'll be taking a look at the Ethereum price chart. I'll be showing you why I believe Altseason has not yet arrived. I'll also be showing you something I've seen in the total crypto market cap, excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum, taking a look at Bitcoin plus Ethereum dominance. We'll be checking the sentiments in the market, and guys, we'll also be taking a look at this index that shows whether Altseason is here or not. We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But guys, if you're joining me for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more some videos like this. Turn on the post notification and give this video a thumbs up. Let's get down to business.
7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
So kicking off today's video, guys, point of recording of this video, Bitcoin is currently trading for $39,000. Bitcoin has actually been ranging from 37,000 to 45,000 for a very long time. Right now, a lot of people in the market are indecisive. We have half of the people in the market saying it's going down, the other half saying it's going up, and the whole market is just in extreme fear. We're actually waiting for the Fed meeting to know whether to increase interest rates or not. But that's by the side. You're here to hear about Altseason and when to be happening. The top 10 cryptocurrency at the point of the recording of this video is Solana, ADA, Terra Luna, XRP, BNB, Ethereum, and Bitcoin. And a lot of these coins, if we're going to be honest with ourselves, have gone on huge runs. Now, you might be holding some other cryptos that have not gone in Altseason. You bought in anticipation, hearing that we're going to Altseason very, very soon. You can see that in the month of March right here, we basically have just like 6 or 7 coins that have actually pumped. And the privacy coins, Zcash, Monero, etc. has pumped, Run, ANC, Wave, and Luna. The rest of the market is basically still red. So a lot of these altcoins are still in the bin. A lot of these altcoins are still really down, including Bitcoin, including Ethereum. Guys, Bitcoin doesn't just always go down in a straight line. At some point in time, in the nearest future, Bitcoin is going to retrace, and I believe that retracement right here is where a lot of these altcoins are going to be going to the moon. For further proof, guys, when we are going to experience this May 2021 crash right here, Bitcoin didn't just go straight down. We actually had this little retracement right here when Bitcoin first crashed to 46,000, all the way from 64,000, went to 46,000, and then it retraced back to 59, 60,000. You can see right here, even after the May crash, that's when we jumped from 64,000 down to as low as 28,000. Bitcoin still found a way to retrace back to $52,000, $53,000 region before it started having that El Salvador Day crash, and we didn't realize that, oh, the bull still has some little fuel in them to run, and they ran Bitcoin all the way to 69K. But since when Bitcoin got 69K, guys, we didn't experience what we normally experience when Bitcoin is going on that mad fall. We didn't experience Altseason. That means a lot of these cryptos were not going to the moon. Now, don't get me wrong, a lot of them actually mooned at this point in time, but they did not pass the level that most of them set on the 4th of September 2021, which is pretty interesting because Bitcoin went from the depth of despair. Everybody thought everything was crashing right here. A lot of these altcoins, the chart looked really bad at this point in time, and most of them now pumped. But after they pumped here, Bitcoin decoupled from them and went on its run. Bitcoin went on its run, Ethereum went on its run. You can see Ethereum right here. After the September 7th crash, Ethereum fell down. It went with Bitcoin and set a new all-time high. Bitcoin too went to set a new all-time high, but a lot of these altcoins didn't do that. Now, granted, some of the altcoins actually went to new all-time highs. We had Solana, we had Luna, all of them touched new all-time highs. And guys, I believe where Altseason will come for the rest of the crypto is when this retracement coming. So when Ethereum start going towards $4,000, when Bitcoin start going towards $55,000, $56,000, $57,000, all these other lagging altcoins will start catching up. In the crypto market, guys, we have leaders and laggers. They all move at the same time, but at some point in time, some of them move faster than some. So you realize that when the coins are pumping, if the whole market is pumping, but some are pumping way faster rate, and that's what I believe will still happen at this Altseason that is coming. All the coins that have pumped before, Luna, Solana, BNB, those coins will still have their time in the sun. They will still actually pump, but guess what? All those laggers in the market will pump in faster. You might be wondering why. It's just human nature. People that are holding Solana, people that are holding Ethereum, people that are holding Bitcoin, people that are holding Luna, when they see other coins pumping 100%, 200%, and their own coin is just pumping 20%, 30%, what do you think they will do? Do you think they will sit down, continue waiting for their own coins to pump, or they'll run to those other coins to actually enjoy those gains. Remember, they ran to all the coins they were in now because they wanted some gains, and the gains are already there. But the retail crowd, guys, is always one step behind. They'll always run to all those altcoins when those altcoins start getting into new all-time highs, because they will not actually believe any rally that is happening. They'll actually try to feed all the rally that will happen. The same way when Bitcoin was pumping, guys, a lot of people are feeding it. They never believed Bitcoin would get this high. Even when Bitcoin was going 69k, a lot of people are saying they were waiting for confirmation. When Bitcoin got to 52k and it dipped back to 40k, that was the next best time to buy. A lot of people did not buy right there. They're waiting for confirmation, and right now I believe the Bitcoin and Ethereum trade is over. Right now we're expecting alt season, and guys, this indicator right here that I'm showing you actually used to tell us when alt season is happening or not. You can go back and check the past historical performance of the indicator. You can see right here the indicator was made that first alt season we had in 2017, and you can see the next time the indicator told us it was alt season was the last time Bitcoin was topping. It was coming on its retracement, and since then we've had small enjoyment of alt season, but not full-fledged alt season. But we had our first alt season in 2021. You can see right here from 23rd of 2021 March till 19th of July 2021 March was technically alt season. At this point in time, a lot of the altcoins were outperforming Bitcoin, but right now we're in Bitcoin season, and I believe in some points in the future we'll be going back to alt season. You can see right here we almost got there when Bitcoin topped at 69k, the ending of Bitcoin top. When it got to 69k, a lot of these altcoins were still going. Luna was still going, Solana was still going, even though the market was tanking. Right now we're in Bitcoin season. We're waiting for Bitcoin to show us the way. The sentiment in the market is garbage. The market is still in extreme fear right now. You can see the factor for the fear and greed index showing us that we're in 21. Yesterday we're in 23. Last week we're in 21. Just last month we're still in fear, even though we're up on the charts. This is the crypto fear and greed index over 3 months, and you can see right here in the last 3 months we have actually just clocked 55 on this rating just 2 or 3 times. If not, we have been in extreme fear throughout that point in time. And guys, if there's any saying, people always saying investing and in crypto, and is that when there's blood on the street, you want to buy the blood, even if it's your blood. Extreme fear after extreme fear precedes extreme greed. The market will always end in extreme greed. Why? Because the market will wrongful people. A lot of people right now are holding stables, having faith the market will go down, having believed the market will go down, and somebody said something. A lot of people didn't buy it. They were buying the dip from 69,000 down all the way to 35,000, and right now we're in 35,000. Then everybody's confident in shutting the market down to zero, and you're like, what's happening? You didn't shut at 69k, you didn't shut at 59k, you didn't shut at 49k, you didn't shut at 39k, and now we're below those levels. The shorting trade is over. As I said earlier in this video, the crowd is always wrong at the extreme, and they are one step behind. So when you see the crowd shouting, let's long it, we're almost at the top, because they were actually waiting for confirmation right now for BTC. Now people that have BTC will be waiting for us to pass this $52,000 region. People that have Ethereum will be waiting for us to pass the $4,000 region, and when we get to those regions, guys, the trade is almost over. Even Ethereum goes to touch its all-time high, that's just 21% left in Ethereum. If Bitcoin does that to touch its all-time high from where they're waiting for confirmation, that's actually just 33% on Bitcoin. So you can see that the crowd's always wrong at the extreme. And guys, the Bitcoin and Ethereum dominance, I'm expecting it to hit an all-time low. You can see right here that the chart is actually showing us that Bitcoin and Ethereum dominance is showing bearish, but right now Bitcoin and Ethereum alone controls 61% of the market. When I'm looking forward to when to be less than 50% of the market, all season will be full flow, baby. And right now the total crypto market cap excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum is showing us that it's not got into this full Fibonacci extension. And you can see right here, this was in May 2021 when the market top. Total crypto market cap excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum set a new all-time high. In September, when it came down, it set another new all-time high. In November, when Bitcoin was reaching 69k, it set another new all-time high. So using that logic, I actually think that when the market is going to come to an end, the total crypto market cap excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum is going to set another new all-time high. And guys, I told you guys, I have a strong belief that Bitcoin and Ethereum have gone on their full bull run. You can check their market cap. They've actually reached their full Fibonacci extension. So it's left for the laggers in the market to catch up to Bitcoin and Ethereum. And when that happens, guys, Altseason will be there. Altseason time will come right here. We'll check this crypto bubble and you see all these coins will be flashing green. The way they are flashing red right now, a lot of them will be flashing green. And the top 10 cryptocurrency by market cap will have new set of cryptos right there. You probably not see Luna, Ada, Solana, BNB. Some other cryptos would have taken over. You come here to the total crypto market cap, to be setting a new all-time high. The Bitcoin and Ethereum dominance will be setting a new low. The total crypto market cap will either be retracing to a 702 retracement, or it will be setting a new all-time high. And if we come here to check the market sentiment, will be in extreme greed. Guys, we're actually going to visit this video when Altseason happens. The crypto Altseason index will be showing us that we're in Altseason. When we come back to this video when Altseason happening, we'll realize how it's actually good to buy when the market is down, when the market is fearful, and to actually sell when the market gets greedy. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more some videos like this. You can follow me on all social media platforms, on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and on YouTube. It's Mr. Legend Crypto. See you guys in my next video. Bye.